First, I need to follow the most important rule about sea fishing. That means take care of your fishing gear first. Then you can do whatever you want. Yeah. So now I need to take care of the rod first. That's from previous video. Yeah, but still. Okay, now that my fishing gear has been cleaned, washed, now I can continue with the video. First thing first, I'm going to run the generator and recharge all the batteries and the camera and everything. And in the meantime, I'm probably gonna shave myself. I don't know yet, probably. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Okay, now for real. Let's go. It's almost 8 in the evening already. And I haven't done anything today. Nothing useful. Okay, I did recharge everything, but that's it. I went to have a nap and it took me a little bit longer. But yeah, okay. And I did shave myself. Yeah, at least that's good. Okay, now let's go and try to make this video interesting. Let's hope there are still some waves down there at the beach, I mean. Okay, there is actually no more of those huge waves, so this just might not be as interesting as I was planning to do. But we'll see. If I find the right spot, it will still be interesting. Okay, keep watching and let's see if I did find the right spot. Well, that was fun! Let's do it again! Okay, enough fun for now. I'm getting cold. But I might have an amazing sunset. Yeah, I'm gonna focus the camera on a sunset. Too much fun. Let me just reposition the camera. Okay, let's go back up. The waves are almost gone. The sunset is not as good as I was hoping, but okay. Okay, I don't need this anymore, right? Yeah. Okay, and there is just one thing I am going to do. And I didn't do it. Nothing, absolutely nothing today. I was just being lazy, you know. Well, what I am going to do is go to my neighbor's place.
Hello, hello.
Yo.
že gre?
Ja, Lučka že gre. I come to the neighbor's place to a visit and I got myself a dinner. Would you possibly want something more? Nope.
Kako si lepo svetiš.
Ciao.
Ja,
That was a good dinner, right? I think it was. And I did have a glass of wine also, so yeah. But I am still planning to go fishing in the morning. But I don't know if I will. But if this video continues, well, then I did go fishing. So stay tuned. Watch it till the end. Okay. Let's, well, you know, get inside. I'll see when I get up. Should I go fishing or not? 5 in the morning, right? That's the right. It's activated. Cool. Okay. Let's go to bed. Good. Let's go. Look at them, huh? Where did they came from? I have no idea where they came from. Okay, let's do some fishing. Okay, let's see what happens, if anything will happen. Okay, I'm thinking about throwing it this way. stupid bird. Now I have to save the bird. Come on, untangle. Not gonna work. I'm just gonna cut it so I can save the bird. Okay, the bird has been saved. Now it's swimming away. Okay, now we need to fix this. Stupid bird! Luckily I did take a reserve with me. Okay, let's give it a try. This stupid bird just messed up everything. Because of this bird, I'm out of the line. I just spent it all. Everything is going wrong on this vacation. Something did bite, but it then bite off the line, the whole line. Yeah, I have one more prepared, but I'm just going to wrap it up and I'm going home. That was it of fishing for this time. Okay, on this vacation, okay, I didn't have much time to fish since I haven't been here a long time, so I had a lot of things to do, but still I didn't get any fish. That's something I don't like. Some people actually just leave their own trash behind. I don't know, is it so hard to take it away? If you brought it here, you take it back, right? Is this so hard? I will never understand those people. I'm ready to go. Not much luck this time. No fish on this vacation, I can't believe that. Not a single fish. But of course, I didn't have much time to fish, of course. I wasn't here for a long time, at least not legally. I came here a few times just to check on things, but arriving here wasn't actually, well, legal, you know. But still, So this time I came here for 15 days and I brought all kinds of equipment with me to take care of everything. More or less I did manage to take care of. Otherwise, usually I come here to Umag every month for a few days. So yeah, and now over the summer I don't do anything here usually, but this year I just have to. This COVID messed up everything. Yeah, this global experiment. I don't know why they have to release some new virus every 6 years or so. Yeah, but that's been the case for, well, for centuries. It's a good business, yeah. And this time they managed to promote this COVID-19 pretty much good. So yeah, they managed to fuck up the world. Now at the end something did bite, but then it also bite off the line. Yeah. And I'm about out of it anyway, so this stupid bird messed up everything. How could he manage to tangle into the line while he was flying by? How did he manage to do that? Yeah. I tried to pull him on shore to untangle it, but he was refusing. So in the end I had to just cut the line to save the bird. And then he did untangle himself. Yeah, it was a male. And so he was able to swim away. Okay, let me climb up. Okay, let's go. Well, it's good. I took those long pants today for a reason. So this grass is not gonna bite me. This some kind of weird grass. It's biting. Okay, sometimes it still manage to something like this, big ones. They still manage to get through, but okay. I don't know what kind of grass this is. What kind of plant is this? I have no idea. Let me know in the comments below. Okay, I'm not gonna go through all this shit. I'm just getting down here. I'm gonna walk on the rocks. You see this weird grass, this stupid plant that is biting? What is this? I don't know how is it called. I never see this thing anywhere. Let me know what this is. I have no idea. Now for the most important rule about sea fishing. Yeah. Take care of your fishing gear first. Then you can do whatever you need to do. this will go to be recycled. It's time to get my cargo trailer back here from the other property of mine. So it's gonna be ready here for when I'll have to load it to go home. Yeah, unfortunately I have to go home soon. Yeah, in the next video I'm going home. But I'm gonna get ready the trailer now. Okay everyone, as you can saw, on this vacation, more or less it was a working vacation, since I haven't been here long time. Yeah? And I had to do a lot of stuff, you know. I did came here a few times before just to check on things, but that wasn't actually legal to come, but okay. So anyway, that was my vacation. And I didn't get any fish on this vacation. Okay, I didn't have a lot of time to go fishing anyway, but still. Yeah. And in this video, as you saw earlier, I caught a bird. One stupid bird got tangled up in... Yeah. So, yeah. I am going to leave a little bit of my fishing gear here. However, this rod, I'll have to take it home. Yeah, this bird messed up everything. Yeah, I'm only gonna leave this rod here and the rod pod, both rod pods, and a bag. That's it. After all, by the time you're gonna see this video, I'm already gonna be here 2 more times. So yeah, by the time you see it, this property is going to be turned into a minefield again. So yeah, so I can tell you that I'm gonna leave it here now. It's just for a little while. Yeah, I will be back soon. But anyway, thank you for watching another video of this series of me being here in Croatia, legally on vacation, legally came here this time. And I hope you like this video and the others. And I would like to see your comments on just about anything. And if you haven't subscribed yet, well, now you have a perfect chance to do it. Well, I see you with the next one. Until then, I am your Captain Frcho, and I'm out. Yeah.